Welcome to another video. In this one I show you how you can add numbers from 1 to even 100 very easily in just a few small steps. So you have an example of how much is 1 plus 2. We can keep going like this until for example 9 plus 10. So you have all these numbers and they add up. You have to sum them. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, and so on. So you have to really add them up together. So you could do this on a calculator. I will try to do it on a calculator. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 6 7 8 9 plus 9 plus 10. So the answer is 55. The answer is 55 when you sum each number from 1 to 10. You wouldn't want to calculate like this. You might be able to use an Excel spreadsheet to do that, but there is a better way to do this. And the way to do this is to use the Gauss addition formula. And this is a funny, interesting way how to add numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 10 here. So you reverse the numbers and you put them. So you have as set 1 is this, and then you have set 2. Reverse the numbers. 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1. You could try to add these together, these two sets together. So you have I can make a line here. So the final set will be 1 plus 10 11, 2 plus 9 11, 8 plus 3 11, 7 plus 4 11. And now on this set, all I have to do to get back the original amount, the sum of all these values, is to divide it by 2, because we had two sets at the beginning. 10 times 11 divided by 2. You see what it's getting? So 10 times 11 divided by 2. Let's check it. 11 times 10. 110 divided by 2. It's again 55. Let's check it. 11 times 10. 110 divided by 2. It's again 55. So this is 55. Now there will be an easier way to do this, much easier. I think you might be able to see it already. Instead of saying 10 times, we have 11 divided by 2. Sorry, this divided by 2. You know you have, this is the count of the items you have in your set, 10, and then you multiply it with 11. What if you had 100 items? Well, 100 items will be like this. 100 times 101 divided by 2. Because if you reverse the set and you add it to itself, you will really add the highest amount value in the set plus 1 and add it to itself and divide by 2. So you could say if this is n, because it could be any value here, and this is really the formula, n times n plus 1, because it's from the second set reversed, divided by 2. 100 times 101 divided by 2, 5050. 10,000 multiply with 10,001 divide by 2, that's 50,005,000. The beauty of this is that you can really do it on a calculator. You don't need to do it by hand. We're not in the 19th century here, but a calculator could become a really useful tool for something like this. 3,576,475. If someone asks you to find the missing number, so you have numbers from 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. You don't even really need to sort it, but you could sort them to find the biggest number, or just get the biggest number. 6 times 7, because it's 6 plus 1 from the other side, divided by 2. This is the Gauss summation. Okay, so this one is 42 here divided by 2. This is 21. On a computer program, you would sum up the set that you have here. There is a difference here. The reason is that the difference is the Gauss sum minus actual sum is the missing number. (21 minus 18) is going to be the number 3. It's exactly the missing number from here. This is how you find the missing number in a series of random numbers. You could sort them, but you don't really have to, as long as you know the highest number in the set. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know in the comments if this video is interesting for you, and if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.